Everyone, and welcome back to my channel Learn Today with Pooja. So students, in this video today we will I will explain you about the poem After Ibrahim ICC class 10. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, we have to concentrate on the poet, nothing more but his poems. So three poems that I know is Thalba the Destroyer, Makod, as well as The Curse of Tema. Okay, if you know any poem about that he wrote, then obviously comment in the box section so I will know. So let's start the poem. So in the poem you can see the two paragraphs came in front of you. I'm not going reading the lines because you can read it very simple and in front of you it has been came, so I will explain it very nicely. You will be very much casual. So let's start. It is a summer evening and old Casper is sitting before his cottage door. Means it is a summer evening and old Casper is a man. He is sitting before his cottage door. Means before his house door. So Casper grandson Peterkin. So he has two grandson and granddaughter, Peterkin and Wilhelmine. So Casper's grandson Peterkin is coming towards him rolling something large and round. His son is coming towards him while rolling something large, means ball-like structure. So now Wilhelmine also looks him. He asks, now what is this? From where you have got? So Peterkin got it from the small stream, beside the small stream. Okay, and they went to their grandfather to ask what is this about. So now his grandfather discussed with them that it is a skull of a man who has died during the victory, okay, a famous victory, a great victory. So they were confused and they want to know more about the poem. Means not about the poem, about the skull. What was means about the victory? Why they fought, who fought, and who won? So now their grandfather said them that this type of skull, this type of structure like ball skull, he get every day when he goes to plug the field. Now they were wanted to listen about the victory, what was happened and who fought and why they fought with each other. So now their grandfather started to explain them, means discuss with them that who fought and why they fought. Now Casper tells the children that English defeated the French. Casper do not know why the English and the French fought, but he only know that it was a famous victory. He only says that he do not know the reason why they fought, but he know that it was a famous victory. As a result of the war, Casper father, here he is discussing about his family. Okay, Casper father's house was also burnt, which made them homeless. During that war, his father's house also was burnt and they were made homeless. The victory of England led to the death of many pregnant women and newborn babies, as is the case with every war. Means it is the case of every war. After every famous victory, after every victory, you will get some dead bodies, some not many and thousands dead bodies. Pregnant women died and newborn babies also died. So it was a very much shocking sight. Okay, after the victory. Now the last. So Casper tells the children that thousands of dead bodies lay rotten in the sun after the victory. Look here, it is written how many thousand bodies lay rotting in the sun. But it is very much common. It is very much common after victory, after the war. Okay. So now here he says that the Duke and Prince Eugenie was pressed. Means they were pressed that they won the match. It was very much happy for them. They won the victory, a great victory they won. They were very much happy. But yeah, here Wilhelmine, the granddaughter, was very much upset. Means she wicked it. She said, no, what this type of victory? It is a famous victory. So she neglected, means wicked it. Peterkin asks what good came of the war. But here Peterkin, the grandson, asks to, means what was the good come, means what was the benefit, what was the advantage of this war which they fought. But all Casper could tell was that it was a famous victory. Casper does not know any reasons and any good comes and any means good comes and benefits. He doesn't know. He don't know why the war was fought and was a good benefit of this war. Only he knows that it was a famous victory. Okay. So up to here to this video, subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon, like my videos and share it with your friends so they will also clear the doubts. Okay. So students, stay safe and stay at your home.